Hi traders, in this video I am going to be showing you how to use the candle time and spread indicator for MT4 and MT5. Okay, it does not matter whether you are using the MT4 terminal or the MT5 terminal. You can find the version for both MT4 and MT5 in the description below. All right, the links to download both the MT4 and MT5 version. So now let us quickly look at how the candle time and spread indicator for MT4 looks like. Drag and drop to your chart. Ensure that the allow daily import box is checked. Your input settings have just a few, custom settings here. The clock color, the corner placement, right? Corner. Okay. So 1 is top right, 3 is bottom right. Okay, 1 is top right, 3 is bottom right. So since we have the corner set at 3, it means the indicator is going to be at the bottom right. All right, here we go. So what this indicator does is for your selected asset, it shows you the spread. All right, and it also shows you how many minutes is left for the next bar to form. Okay, if we are on the 1 hour time frame, it's going to show you information based on the 1 hour time frame. If you're on the 4 hour time frame, you can see it's going to show you the information based on the 4 hour time frame. If you're on the 1 minute time frame, you're going to see the information based on the 1 minute time frame. Remember that this is minutes and this is seconds, right? So it's a very, easy indicator to use if you are a kind of trader that pays close attention to, candle close, candle open. Maybe your strategy revolves around opening and closing of candles, and maybe you are a scalper, you value very small spreads a lot. Maybe you trade during volatile seasons or rather volatile periods, and then you always like to always see your spreads at almost now and then. This indicator can come in very handy because it's going to be showing you the spread at every given time, right? When the spread changes, of course, you're going to see it there, and then you're going to also see how many minutes is left or how many seconds is left for the next candle to form for that your selected time frame. Okay, if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now. Don't forget to turn on your notifications as well so you don't miss out on more valuable content like this. Thank you for watching. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.